Unlock the power of location and transform your data into captivating maps with Tableau. First, connect to your data source in Tableau. Ensure your dataset contains geographical fields like country, state, or latitude and longitude. Now, simply drag your geographical field, such as country, from the data pane to the detail shelf in the marks card. Tableau automatically recognizes the geographic data and plots corresponding points on the map. To visualize data, drag a measure like sales to the color shelf. This creates a filled map representing sales performance for each country through color variations. Alternatively, drag sales to the size shelf to create a proportional symbol map where the size of the circles represent sales volume. To customize your map, go to the Map menu and select Map Layers. This opens the Map Layers pane, allowing you to add or remove layers. Here you can toggle layers like streets, terrain, or country borders to enhance the visual context. To drill down further, drag another dimension, such as product category, to the color shelf. This adds another layer of detail, showing the distribution of product categories across the map. And that's it. You've now created an interactive map chart in Tableau, providing valuable insights from your location-based data. Customize your maps and add layers for effective spatial analysis.